Solution, also known as Mobile Technology Private Limited. Today I am going to show one of the new projects. It's a solar tracker system. The project concept is based on the tracking on the light energy, which is directly given by the sun. And this is the solar panel, that is main things, which is directly tracked in two dual axis. We have to use the LDR sensors for the tracking. After that, we have to use the charge controller model, MPPT model, charge controller model. This is for the L293D model to drive the DC motor. This is the sensor part, and this is the controller board parts. We use the 8051 microcontroller with LCD display, and this is for the battery unit. Okay, after that, let's see the working of this project, how it converts the solar energy into electric energy, and how we utilize that electric energy DC into AC loads, that is output. So let's see the working. So guys, let's see the working of this solar tracker in dual axis mode. So we just switch on the circuit board. After switch on, the LCD display shows the solar panel status, that is in stable mode or non-stable mode. When it is goes in left side, so display shows the in left side. When it is goes right, display shows the right. So let's see the working of this. First of all, there is a two LDR sensor we have to use. So this is the first sensor. So you have to just give a light to the sensor. So if you given the light to the LDR sensors, the axis of solar panel is rotated on the left side. Similar wise, this is the second LDR. So this is second LDR. If you given any light to this sensor, it will be sensed. So like this wise, so dual axis rotation of solar panel will be tracked. After that, whatever the energy we have to obtain from this, it will be stored in the battery, and we have to convert this DC voltage into the AC with the help of LED bulb, and also the status of the tracking, that is stable left and right mode, a display on the LCD display. So first of all we see the tracking, and then after we have to see the conversion of DC to AC. So we see the tracking mode, now we see the conversion mode from DC to AC with the help of inverter module. So there is a switch we have to attach. So after switch on the lights, it converts the DC voltage into the AC voltage. So I just switch off it because it gives the lights and it directly sends by the sensor, LDR sensor. Okay. So in this way, the solar tracker in the dual axis mode will be happened. Hope you guys like this type of the project. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and share our channel. Thanks.